D365 Sales for Copilot allows users to share CRM records within email, Teams chat, and Teams posts. Let's see what that looks like. First, in an email, Paige needs to send a quick email to Jordan to bring him up to speed on their new prospect, Contoso. She opens Copilot for Sales, clicks on Search, types in the name of the opportunity. When it is returned, she clicks on the name and data from CRM is added to the email. Now, if Paige needs to instead send a chat to, let's say, Jordan and Jeff, the process is only slightly different. In Teams in a chat, she clicks on the plus, chooses Copilot for Sales. Since she recently looked at this record, it is available to her, so she's going to choose this opportunity, and she'll hit Send.